And I guess this would be episode 2 of hauling my crock pot over to my friend's house to cook a big ass piece of meat they've got no idea what to do with. Yes, my friends are very lucky to have me because there's not very many people who would wake up early to go sear multiple pounds of beef before work. Giving your roast a nice crust on the outside before letting it slow cook for multiple hours is a really good way to develop flavor, especially when I'm keeping it super simple in the spices department. This thing was cooking for probably 8 hours, so as soon as I got there, I took out some of the stock and put it on the stove to reduce. Julie whipped up some beautiful veggie sides, so I was able to get us plated and served pretty quickly, so it actually was a really low effort, cozy dinner with my besties.